Howdy sailors, I'm Mitch with Wild Gear in Hornville. Today we're going to be doing some repairs on this here skid steer trailer. She's been pretty beat up most of its life, and it looks like both frame rails on either side here have cracked in the exact same spot. So we're going to add some gussets and we're going to plate over them cracks, grind them out, wall them up tight. So let's rock and roll. Notice how I bent the tab on the top of that piece of plate over that frame rail there. This is going to offer it a lot of extra rigidity. I hammer and weld that piece of plate until it's nice and tight on that frame rail. Alright, we got this bad girl all sweetened up. Finished product. The last thing we're going to do, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all soon.